Here's a shocking fact that'll make every parent's jaw drop. The wrong stroller car seat combo sends over 8,000 babies to the emergency room every single year. But here's the thing. It's not because these products are dangerous. It's because parents are using the wrong system for their lifestyle. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jesse, your guide to the best, worst, and everything in between. Let's dive into today's top 5. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate stroller car seat combos that are absolutely crushing it in 2025. Whether you're a city parent dodging subway turnstiles or a suburban family loading up for weekend adventures, I've tested these systems so you don't have to make expensive mistakes. But here's where things get messy. Every parent wants the same thing: a system that keeps their baby safe, doesn't break their back or their bank account, and actually works when life gets crazy. Yet most parents end up with either a budget combo that falls apart after 6 months or a luxury system that's so complicated they need a PhD just to fold the thing. And don't even get me started on trying to figure out which car seat actually clicks into which stroller base. Let me tell you about a stroller that completely changed how I think about versatility. The Evenflow Pivot Modular with LightMax isn't just a stroller. It's like having 6 different strollers packed into one. This thing transforms faster than a transformer, and I'm not even exaggerating. First up, the 6-mode system. You can go from a newborn carriage where the baby lies completely flat to a toddler stroller where your little explorer faces forward. The LightMax car seat handles babies from 4 to 30 pounds and comes with that anti-rebound bar that actually makes a difference in safety tests. And here's what blew my mind. The one-handed fold actually works with one hand. I tested this while holding a fake baby and a coffee cup. Success on both fronts. The good stuff? This system grows with your kid like nothing else. Parents rave about how smooth it rolls, even over bumpy sidewalks. The storage basket is massive. I fit a full diaper bag plus groceries. But here's the reality check. At around 25 pounds, this isn't your lightweight travel companion. And some parents say the car seat can be tricky to install if you don't follow the instructions exactly. This is your perfect match if you want one system that does everything. You're the parent who values versatility over portability. Maybe you live somewhere with decent sidewalks, but still need to navigate grass, gravel, or the occasional curb. If you're planning on using this as your main stroller for the next few years, this is your winner. I'm giving the Evenflow Pivot Modular a solid 4.2 out of 5 stars. It loses points for weight and installation learning curve, but gains major points for doing exactly what it promises, being the Swiss Army knife of stroller systems. But what if you want something that looks more like a European baby carriage? The Graco Pramette is all about that bassinet life. This system wants to bring back the classic pram experience while still giving you modern convenience. The star feature here is the true Pramette mode. Your newborn gets to lie completely flat in what's basically a mini bassinet on wheels, perfect for those long strolls through the park. The reversible seat means the baby can face you for bonding time or face the world when they're ready to explore. It includes the Snug Ride 35 car seat, and the whole thing folds with one hand when you're not wrestling with the car seat attachment. Parents love how elegant this looks and how comfy babies seem in that flat bassinet position. The one-handed fold is smooth when it works. But here's where things get real. Some parents report quality issues. A few mentioned the Pramette feels flimsy over bumps, and the toddler seat doesn't provide the support they expected. The fold can also be trickier when you've got the car seat parts attached. This is for you if style matters and you love the idea of those peaceful bassinet strolls. You're probably more focused on shorter outings and smoother surfaces. If you're the parent who wants Instagram-worthy stroller shots and prioritizes that newborn bassinet experience, this could be your match. I'm rating the Graco Pramette 3.6 out of 5 stars. It's beautiful, and the bassinet concept is lovely, but the quality concerns and mixed reviews on long-term durability hold it back from being a top recommendation. And what happened next might surprise you. Sometimes the simplest solution is the smartest. The Mamazing Lightweight isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It has one job: to make traveling with kids as painless as possible. And honestly, it's pretty genius at that job. At just 11.6 pounds, This thing is made from carbon fiber like a race car. It folds with one hand in literally seconds. I timed it. The folded size fits in airplane overhead bins, which is why travel parents are obsessed with this stroller. You get UPF 50 plus sun protection, 3 recline positions, and it comes with its own travel bag. The 5-point harness keeps kids from 6 months to 50 pounds secure. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. Make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Travel parents are absolutely loving this thing. It really does fit in overhead bins. The carbon fiber holds up better than you'd expect. And that one-hand fold is a game changer when you're juggling kids and luggage. But here's the trade-off. This isn't built for daily heavy use. The wheels struggle on rough terrain and the storage space is pretty limited. A few parents mentioned some design quirks like handles that can pinch little fingers. You're a traveling family or someone who needs a lightweight backup stroller. Maybe you live in a walk-up apartment or you're frequently hopping between cars and need something super portable. If your priority is convenience and portability over luxury features, this is calling your name. The Mamazing gets 4.0 out of 5 stars from me. It does exactly what it promises for traveling families, but it's not trying to be your everyday workhorse stroller. Here's where things get interesting. What if you could get luxury quality without the luxury price tag? The Chico Bravo Trio is basically the golden child of travel systems. Consumer Reports loves it, parents swear by it, and after testing it myself, I get the hype. This system pairs the Bravo stroller with the KeyFit 30 car seat, and that car seat is seriously impressive. We're talking 4 to 30 pounds, super easy installation, and it clicks into the stroller like butter. The stroller has those big rubber wheels that actually handle bumps, all-wheel suspension that you can feel working, and a fold system that's so smooth it feels expensive. The storage basket is huge with organized pockets and everything just feels solid. Parents consistently call this their favorite system. The build quality feels premium. The car seat installation is foolproof and everything works exactly like it should. The rubber wheels are a game changer compared to plastic ones. The only real downside is the price. You're looking at around $400, and a few parents mentioned the fold can be trickier when you have the car seat attachment tray in place. This is for parents who want to buy once and use it for years. You value quality over saving a few bucks, and you want something that can handle daily use without falling apart. If you're looking for your main stroller system that needs to work for grocery runs, park visits, and everything in between, this is your answer. The Chico Bravo Trio earns a well-deserved 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's pricier than budget options, but the quality and reliability make it worth every penny for most families. But that's not the whole story. Sometimes the best value hides in plain sight. The safety. First, Smooth Ride proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a solid travel system. With over 10,000 reviews and a 4.6-star average, this budget-friendly option is seriously impressing parents. The onboard FLX car seat handles babies from 4 to 30 pounds with side impact protection and easy latch installation. The stroller rolls surprisingly smoothly thanks to those agile wheels, and the lift-to-fold design really is as simple as lift, fold, done. You get parent and child trays, an extra large storage basket, and a peekaboo window. Plus, that super-sized canopy actually provides real sun protection. For around $200, parents are shocked by how well this performs. The assembly is straightforward, the wheels glide smoothly, and the car seat clicks in securely. The height-adjustable handle works great for taller parents. But here's the catch. The newborn insert could be better. Some parents add extra padding for head support. And while it's durable for the price, don't expect it to last through multiple kids like a premium system. You're budget-conscious but refuse to compromise on safety. Maybe this is your first baby and you're not sure what features you'll actually use. Or perhaps you need a reliable system without the premium price tag. If you want solid performance without breaking the bank, this deserves serious consideration. The safety. First, Smooth Ride gets 4.1 out of 5 stars. It punches way above its weight class for the price, making it an excellent entry-level choice. After testing all 5 systems, putting them through real-world scenarios, and analyzing thousands of parent reviews, one system stands above the rest for 2025. The Chico Bravo 3-in-1 Trio Travel System. Here's why it wins. This system nails the perfect balance of quality, usability, and long-term value. The KeyFit 30 car seat is genuinely one of the best on the market. The stroller feels premium without being overly complicated, and everything just works reliably day after day. Yes, you'll pay more upfront, but you're getting a system that can handle everything from newborn to toddler without missing a beat. So here's your quick decision guide. If budget is your main concern, go with the Safety First Smooth Ride. For maximum versatility, the Evenflow Pivot Modular has you covered. Need something ultra-portable? The Mamazing Lightweight is your travel companion. Want that classic pram style? Consider the Graco Pramet, but maybe wait for quality improvements. But if you want the best overall system that'll serve you well for years, the Chico Bravo Trio is worth the investment. What's your experience with travel systems? Have you tried any of these, or are you still searching for the perfect combo? Drop a comment below and let me know what features matter most to you. And if this helped you narrow down your choices, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world parenting gear reviews. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more topics. Your shortcut to the best. Until next time, keep it top tier.